I will talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Bluesky app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on settings. Then you come to next tip here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, you just keep going down here. So then you come here to open links within a browser. Just clicking this sign of this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean open links within a browser disable with us now. That's all you have to do. I wish you know you are great. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. So thank you for your watching.